Hi there, this is Dr. Johnny Truong. I'm making this video for all of my new patients just to give you some tips on how to make your appointment as efficiently as possible so that way you can spend the least amount of time here and enjoy the rest of your day. The first tip I want to give you is regarding your appointment. So if you have an appointment, please show up 15 minutes early so that we can get you to fill out some paperwork and sign some documents prior to your appointment. That way, if you have an appointment at 10 a.m., I can see you right then there at 10 a.m., so there's no lag time. The next thing is I want to talk about parking. So parking, we have plenty of metered parking around the building. I believe it's about 25 cents for every 15 minutes. So if you, I would suggest putting enough for about 2 hours, just to be on the safe side. You're probably not going to use all of it, but just 2 hours. That way you have a peace of mind that your car's fine. You also have, also make sure with parking on the street to read the signs. Sometimes there's street cleaning, and so half the street's taken up, so make sure you read the signs, and any towaway zones, you definitely want to avoid those. We also have Plan B for parking, which is, the second option is to park behind our building. The entrance is on Kingsley. We have a parking structure where you pay a flat rate of $3, and you get to park for up to 2 hours. And we have a special voucher that allows you to do that. So definitely ask our front desk for that. So you look at parking behind our building is about $3 flat rate versus parking in the street. It's going to run you about $2 flat rate as well. So for 2 hours. So it's very similar. So you have those two options. The second thing I wanted to go over is your insurance. So if you have insurance and you want to use it and know whether you have coverage for chiropractic services at my office, what I would suggest is to take a picture of the front and back of your insurance card and email it to my office at truonguppercervical@gmail.com. Again, that's truonguppercervical@gmail.com. You can either call in to my office and give us your date of birth, or you can put that on the email when you email your insurance card. We'll check the insurance coverage for you and benefits for you, and then we'll let you know what's covered, and that way there's no surprises. And the next thing I want to talk about is the online patient questionnaire. So when you schedule an appointment, we send you an email with a password to our online patient portal, and it allows you to do your patient questionnaire online prior to your appointment, and we recommend that you do that in advance of your appointment. That way you're not sitting in the reception room filling out questions about your health. It's much better if you do it at home. That way I actually am able to capture that information and to structure my consultation questions more effectively. So please do that in advance of your appointment. And then the last point I wanted to make is regarding your time here. So the first part of your visit is your consultation with me. So the consultation allows me to ask you detailed history questions and it allows me to know more about the underlying reason why you have the health challenge that you have or the condition you have. And I like to spend about 20 to 30 minutes during the consultation to really delve into that part of your visit. And then of course after that I'll do the screening process, which is to check your postural imbalance, to do a leg check to see if there's a leg that's shorter. And then of course we'll do x-rays if we need to, and of course we have the treatment. The treatment involves the therapy, the rapid release therapy, and of course we also will include the adjustment in that as well. So expect to be here for about 45 minutes to about an hour. Count on that, and we'll make your particular visit as smooth and seamless as possible and enjoyable as possible. And thank you so much for listening to this video and watching this video. I hope the information helped answer a lot of your questions. If you have any other questions, feel free to call my office, and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to meeting with you and helping you overcome your health challenges and getting you well again and feeling well and enjoying your life.